Welcome back to the Math-Tutor Vote MTV. This is GCE Grade 12 Paper 23 Part 2 Solutions for Question 3b. The question read, a girl has 7 green apples and 6 red apples in a bag. She picks one and eats it, and then she also picks another one and eats it as well. Okay, so the first question is asking to draw a tree diagram to illustrate all possible outcomes. Right. So you have 7 green, 6 red apples, making a total of 13 apples. So when you're starting, you have a total of 13 apples, okay? And there's a probability that it may not be green or red. Alright, so if it's green and if it's red. Okay, so from the total that you have, probability that it's going to be green is 7 over 13, and then here it's 6 over 13. Okay, then when you eat an apple, meaning it's the total is no longer 13, you're going to reduce by 1 to make it 12 in your second selection. Okay, if she picks again, and this time around, again it's going to either be green or red. If she picked green in the first one, meaning the red is unchanged, isn't it? Okay, meaning you have 6 over the 12 that are in the bag, and then 7 has reduced by 1 to make 6 over 12. Again, if in the first choice it was red, in the second choice, again it's either going to be green or red. If it was red, meaning the green remained unchanged, okay, meaning there was still 7, but now in the bag there are a total of 12, but the 6 has reduced by 1 since we picked red at first, it becomes 5 over 12, and that is your tree diagram. Note that at each branch, the total probability should add up to 1. For example, GR in the first branch, 7 over 13 plus 6 over 13 should give you 1. Half plus half should give you 1. 7 over 12 plus 5 over 12 should give you 1 as well. For the second part, the question read, what is the probability that the first apple eaten was green? So our tree diagram already has our probabilities. Probability that it's green is 7 over 13, I mean. Now, looking at the marks, I have 3 marks, I need to think a little bit deeper than that. Okay, so there's so many ways that you can solve it, either by multiplying G times G, then you add G times R. But in this video, I would use probability that it was green is equal to total outcome minus probability of it being red divided by the total outcome. And just to give you the total outcome is 13, the first choice, divided by minus 6, over the total 13, and just give you 7 over 13. When you're punching on your calculator, they should give you 0.5348. Then your question paper specifically says if you have decimal numbers, put them to one decimal place, 0.5.